at the Full Circle Distillery here in Calmaray, Calamba, Laguna. So, interview natin yung mga alcoholics. Starting from Monica, what can you say about what you drank?
Ang pait.
Wala kang naging favorite?
Wala.
Okay. I-ask natin yung mga true alcoholics from Australia. What's your name?
I'm M from Perth.
Ano yung nagustuhan mo dito sa mga art na gin?
Hindi ako sure which one, but definitely the Amanpolo,
Anong nagustuhan mo sa Amanpolo?
giving a hint of citrus and
Black gin. Black gin. Masyadong in my face eh.
yeah.
I mean, wait.
We are concocting
Navy.
That's 58%.
The Navy gin with 58%.
we're mixing with calamansi,
Okay.
some peppercorn, and tonic water.
We'll see. Let's see how it tastes. What can you say?
Very refreshing, a bit strong with the hint of the peppercorn.
How about the notes?
The
tama ba?
notes of cardamom
Cardamom.
and
Juniper.
juniper. With juniper.
Thank you, M. That's M from Perth. Okay, what's your name?
Gab po, from Pasig.
Okay, Gab. Ano yung naging favorite mo dito sa art na gin or vodka?
Actually, masarap yung Ding Dong.
Ding dong.
Oh.
Yes, yun. Nagaraya.
Garaya Ding Dong, masarap.
Okay.
Other than that, yung Barrel Reserve Gin, para siyang whiskey.
Parang...
Sarap siya. Geng-geng.
Mas gusto mo siyang pure or with mixed with tonic?
Pure, syempre. Doon tayo eh. Minsan pag umiinom ka, mas masarap na. Mahal.
Gab, sampulan mo naman kami ng BGC boy accent mo.
Kamusta kayo, bro? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Archipelago.
Thanks, Gab. That's Gab from Pasig. Okay. What's your name?
Hello, Kat.
Kat, where are you from?
Philippines.
Okay. So, Kat, ano yung nagustuhan mo dun sa art na drink mo?
Yung ding dong.
Yung welcome drink. Yung welcome drink. Okay, thank you, Kat. Reveal the guest. Okay. What's your name?
Rochelle
And
Deluna.
where are you from, Rochelle?
I'm from Perth, Australia.
So, being someone from Perth and who loves drinking, anong nagustuhan mo dito?
Loves drinking.
Black bamboo gin.
Bamboo gin. So, anong nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Nagustuhan ko ang kanyang juniper and very musky flavor at napaka-peppery.
So, ilan na ba yung nainom mo, Rachel?
Sa base sa ulat na ito, siya ay 3 by 5 ay 15 plus 3 ay 18. 18, 19, 20. Naka 20 tayo.
Okay. Test natin. Text gawin mo siya ng neurotest. Tignan natin kung nag-work.
Plus 5.
10.
Alright. I think di pa siya lasing. That's all, guys.